What does a leaky furnace mean? A leaky furnace can indicate several issues, depending on the source and type of the leak. Here's a breakdown of what it could mean. 1. Condensation leaks. Reason: high-efficiency furnaces produce condensation as a byproduct of their operation. If the condensation drainage system is clogged or damaged, water can leak from the furnace. Signs: water pooling around the base of the furnace. Solution: inspect and clear the drainage system or repair the condensate pump. 2. Humidifier leaks. Reason: some furnaces are connected to a whole house humidifier. If the humidifier malfunctions or its waterline becomes clogged, it may leak. Signs: water near the humidifier attachment. Solution: check the humidifier and repair or replace faulty components. 3. Ventilation problems. Reason: blocked or improperly installed vents can cause condensation to accumulate and leak around the furnace. Signs: water around the furnace or near exhaust vents. Solution: ensure vents are clear and correctly installed. 4. Cracked heat exchanger. Reason: a cracked heat exchanger can cause water vapor to leak, especially in older furnaces. This is a serious issue as it may also lead to carbon monoxide leaks. Signs: visible cracks, water vapor leaks, or unusual furnace noises. Solution: shut off the furnace and contact a professional immediately. 5. Air conditioner coil leaks. Reason: if your HVAC system shares a furnace and air conditioner, a clogged or damaged AC condensate drain pan can cause water to leak near the furnace. Signs: water around the furnace when the AC is running. Solution: inspect and repair the AC drainage system. 6. Frozen pipes. Reason: in colder climates, pipes near or connected to the furnace may freeze and burst, leading to leaks. Signs: leaks coinciding with extremely cold temperatures. Solution: insulate pipes and repair any breaks. What to do if your furnace is leaking? Turn off the furnace. Shut off the power to prevent electrical hazards. Clean up the water. Remove pooled water to avoid damage to surrounding areas. Inspect the source. Check for visible issues with condensate lines, humidifiers, or vents. Call a professional. If the issue isn't obvious or easily fixed, contact an HVAC technician to diagnose and repair the problem. A leaky furnace may seem minor but can indicate serious underlying issues. Addressing it promptly ensures your system runs efficiently and safely.